This is a short tutorial. We will see how we can unwrap a box of cereal. So we can start in Blender. First we need to change the dimension of this cube. So I press M and I can change here. When it's done, you can press the point just to zoom on that. After we can go to the UV editing. I press the point just to zoom on that. I will export the texture with export UV layout. You can change the dimension, but here it's good. After you can editing, of course, your texture, and you can import that again here. To import my texture, I go here, I change the base color, and I change to image texture, and I will load the texture. When it's loaded, you will see the texture here. I display the texture in the viewport, so you can scroll here and you can show here. Just after, we go to the back and we can take some edges. So I will change here and I will take 3 edges here. So you take these 3, right click, mark seam. After you can press A, you can go to UV, Unwrap, Angle Based. Just after I select other edges here and here, the 4. Right click, mark seam. After you can press A and you can unwrap again. I select everything, I press R to rotate and I rotate in this direction. I press G, I move, and after I will scale. I will scale, so I press S and I can scale. S and I can scale. After I need to move some vertices, so I select vertices. I press G and Y to move on the Y axis. Please remember you are in 2D UV map, so there is only 2 axes. G, Y, I do the same here, G, X to move. I do the same here, G, X. I do the same here, GX. Okay, we need to refine here, so I press GX. And we have finished, so I press tab here and you can see the result here. This is perfect. And that's it for the tutorial. Thank you, bye.